Today, I made something incredible. Strawberry syrup from the strawberry tops. I usually toss my fruit scraps into the chickens or the compost pile, but, because nothing goes to waste around here. But a few years back, I saw something that caught my attention about making strawberry syrup from the tops. And I wondered, would it be worth it? Is it complicated? And, thinking it would probably taste like grass. And fast forward till today, after freeze drying a full case of organic strawberries, I was left with lots and lots of strawberry tops. So I decided to give it a try. And let me tell you, it turned out so much better than I expected. And it could not have been any easier. This is how I made it. Now, since I had a big batch of strawberry tops, I pulled out my trusty enameled cast iron Dutch oven. I tossed in the strawberry tops, poured in 5 cups of the filtered water, and added 4 cups of sugar. And yes, it sounds like a lot, but we are making syrup. Next, bring the whole mixture to a boil and reduce the heat to allow it to simmer for about 15 minutes. Just make sure you stir it every now and again. You'll notice that the berries will start to look a little dull and maybe a little gray, but don't worry, that's exactly what we want. It just means that all that gorgeous red color is infusing into our syrup. Next, it is time to strain out the solids. I used a slotted spoon first to get the big pieces and then ran the rest through a fine mesh strainer to get every last drop of that ruby red goodness. Now, if your strainer is small like mine, take your time and work in batches. It's totally worth it. Once the solids are out and the liquid has been strained well, wipe out any of the stray seeds or leaves from your pot, then pour the syrup back in. Simmer it again for about 15 more minutes or until it thickens to your liking. Just remember that it's going to continue to thicken as it cools, so don't overdo it. We're making syrup, not candy. Once it's reached that perfect pourable consistency, take it off the heat and allow it to cool to room temperature. Then pour it into your favorite jar or bottle and store in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. This syrup is amazing over pancakes, ice cream, or even layered into a refreshing iced strawberry lemonade. And the best part, it came from something that most people throw away. Let me know if you give this a try, and if you're into more kitchen scrap makeovers, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more ways to stretch your groceries and treat your taste buds at the same time.